This is here where we had a nice picnic Friday afternoon before the rain. And then we got this flat top here to cook with. We got it Tractor Supply. So we're gonna get some of these coals roasting here in this fire. And then we're gonna see, maybe we'll do some chuck wagon cowboy cooking today. Yeah, the fire's starting to get there. Getting some nice coals under there. Once we get these couple pieces of wood burned down in there, and I think we're going to throw some big, thick prime rib steaks on here and some red potatoes and garlic and butter wrapped in foil, maybe. I got my little makeshift grill thing over my fire here. You've seen in my other videos. And we might use a little bit of our cast iron cookery here too. We got baked potatoes going here. Red potatoes wrapped in foil with garlic and butter. And I got my skillet, my cast iron skillet upside down there, holding some heat down in there like an oven, is the idea with that. And then I got my warming rack hanging here on the tripod. And then the grill down there underneath there. We're going to throw some prime rib steaks on there now. I'll see you in a minute. So there's them steaks. Look at those suckers. That's what you can do with a knife. Supermarket had them on sale for $4.99 a pound when it was a rib roast. I cut them into big steaks. Had boneless steaks out of the middle. These got the bone in them. That's prime rib, folks. Cooking on wood fire out here at the campground. Evergreen Lake Campground in Bath, Pennsylvania. Memorial weekend. Memorial Day weekend. Right now it's Saturday. I put another piece of wood on there. It's a little chilly out today, and that wind's taking the heat away a little bit, so I need a little more heat. I don't mind that smoke. That's adding flavor. Just like the old smokehouse. Good. I can't wait. Got the coffee ready to go. Potatoes roasted under the cast iron skillet. I threw some more firewood on there. Everything's sizzling away. Prime ribs cooking up nice. Catch you back a little bit. Okay, we took the steaks off the fire. They're done to about medium. And we got the coffee going. And then it's a little warm here, but we got the potatoes under the cast iron skillet, baking them like an oven. Move that over there a little bit. The fire under it. Percolate some coffee. Looks like my coffee's about done. Just finishing off my potatoes baking under that cast iron skillet. Yeah, my kids came back. They caught a couple trout, one each. They said it's like fishing in a bucket here at Evergreen Lake Campground. You pay to fish, no fishing license required. They have tackle for you, poles to rent. Gonna roast some hot dogs and cook up some fish now.